I dare you. I dare you to touch the mirror. No,
I'm
8.
going back to laying down.
No.
I'm laying down on the mirror
Average.
right
Touch the mirror.
now. What's a mirror? I've
Yeah,
never
touch
seen
the
one.
mirror.
Every mirror I've touched, it broke. I honestly don't know
Bro,
how to
please
read, by
touch
the
the
way.
mirror. Just please.
Hey, baby girl, call me a calculator because I'm trying to add them digits. You know?
I forgot about this. I don't got it, bro.
Even better.
Touch the mirror, Average. Touch it.
Even better.
Average, just touch it.
Bro, let me lay down.
No, just
I'm
touch
laying
it.
down on cold tiles right now, bro. What's this goober doing over here? What's
Bro,
up?
touch it.
Bro, the sun be looking really funny today.